Assalamualaikum and a very lovely morning. Today I will present about exploring digitalization in managing ready-to-eat food, or commonly called RTE food, in food retail provider company. This is a case study based on Ion Company Malaysia, Sdn Bhd. My name is Nur Farhani binti Farisha and this is my supervisory committee as Dr. Ahmad Farid Ismail as my chairman from UPM. Alright, for my presentation, we started with introduction, objective, literature review, what was the methodology that we used, what was the result and discussion, the significance of study for this study, and also the references that I can use. Alright, I will start with the introduction. This study was more focused on food industry. The food industry is the complex network of farmers and the industry. We know that it started from the production, the food development, until the food retail. We know that the food industry is from farm to fork, is from farm to table. Alright, in this study, more focus on the food service sector. Food service sector is the sector or industry that offers services to customer whereby the food is regularly provided for sales. Means that we produce food and sell it to customer or our consumer. Right, so this is the food service sector been doing. Alright, we go to the digitalization. Digitalization is the use of digital to change the business model, such as the physical, the paper-based information, data, the paper-based file, we change it to the technology, the digitized data. Digitalization also can improving the processes by leveraging digital technologies and the digitized data. Alright, so this is our problem statement for this study. The food industry, we know that the food industry is undergoing the digital transformation with adoption of digital technology such as automation. We know that in the restaurant we have a robotic waiter, also AI, and also the IoT, which play the critical role in meeting the demand of convenient and healthy food options is remain largely explored. So, by this need to understand the challenges, the opportunity, and the implication of digitalization in RTE food production, and also the distribution process to enhance the food safety, the production efficiency, and also customer satisfaction. And also the next problem statement, to highlight the need to investigate the current level of digitalization in RTE food production and the distribution process, as well as to the potential benefit and challenge associated with digitalization. By focusing this key area, the study can provide insight into current state of the industry as well as the future opportunities and challenge. Here we want to know in 2023, what was the current level of digitalization in managing the RTE food production? We want to know that. Alright, this is the objective of this study, to investigate the challenges that faced by the RTE food providers, in this study specifically by Ion Company Malaysia, by implementing digital but when they managing the RTE food. Also, second, to investigate the opportunity when food provider company or Ion Company implementing digital in managing their RTE food. And the third one, to examine the strategies that been used by Ion Company when using the digital platform to manage and operate their RTE food. Alright, so we go to the literature review. We commonly focus on the food industry in Malaysia. We know that Malaysia is a large tropical land full of the natural resources to add flavor and variety research, cultivation, and the processing of food. Okay, according to MIDA, in 2020, demand for convenience food can be prepared within minutes is a growing worldwide trend. This is more focused on the RTE food. RTE food just is ready to eat food. Locally made convenience food, including the frozen food such as the RTE meal, spiced chicken, fish, the ethnic and traditional cuisine, instant powdered sugar and retail pouch product. Okay, Malaysia also is an excellent position to produce the Asian recipe with the convenient food technology to meet the increasing global demand in specialty and ethnic food. We know that nowadays in 2023, people seek to get to go food the food that can get in the shorter time as they have their busiest work lifestyle. Okay, according to Department Statistics of Malaysia in 2023, the fourth quarter of 2022, the service sector total revenue was increased 14% over the same quarter in 2021. The increase was contributed by the food and beverage, lodging and wholesale, and also retail trade segmented. Retail trade segment. Sorry. Alright. So it shows that the F&B or food and beverage department has contributed the increasing in our total revenue in Malaysia. Next, still in the literature review, but we go to the digitalization and industry revolution 4.0, a conceptual framework that might be utilized to promote a greater safety performance is a digital twin paradigm. And digital system and computing play a significant role in improving this definition, the design, the control, and the optimization of engineered system. Digital transformation also can revolutionize the design and the operation of process engineering. Next is research methodology. This research is a qualitative approach using the case study. Okay, this is a qualitative interview. It's a one-to-one interview with the retail personnel and retail industry. For this study, we focus on Ion Company Malaysia. So the informant was from RTE food providers, retail personnel. Alright, next is data analysis. Okay, using the thematic analysis, it started from organize and preparing the data, and then identify the keyword, generate code, develop teams, and also interpret the teams to produce the data. Next, we go to research result and discussion. Okay, so the first objective is we want to know the challenges. So the challenges for food production process is they have two themes, is adaptability and familiarity. In adaptability, the coding was the system legacy and the fast-paced technology. We know that how fast the technology growing nowadays. And second, for familiarity, we have resistance to change and employee technology literacy. When the fast-paced technology advance, we know that not everyone know digitals, not everyone can utilize 100% the digitalization, right? So Ion company need to counter these challenges, the employee technology literacy. Alright, next is the marketing activities, also the same theme, adaptability and familiarity, but it's different code, which is in marketing activities, the point of view is for customer. So the code was customer trust and changing the customer preferences. And also the familiarity is we go to customer technology literacy. Okay, because not customer know the technology. Maybe the youngsters know about technology, but not the elders. So this is a challenge that Ion company need to face. Alright, next, the opportunity, the second objective. Okay, for the food production, have a first mover and the operational advance. In the first mover, the code was market leadership and the competitive advance. We know that the Ion company maybe the biggest company that provide the RTE food to consumer. So Ion became the market leadership in the RTE food. And also this is the competitive advantage to Ion company. Alright, next is the improved efficiency and enhanced traceability in operational advance. When Ion company infuse or integrate the digitalization in their RTE food management, it's obviously can improve the efficiency and enhance the traceability for the food, RTE food management. Alright, the opportunity for the marketing activities was the brand recognition and also customer engagement. This can increase the online presence and awareness, and also can increase the loyalty and trust. Alright, this is strategy that been used in Eon company. For the food production process, they have 3 teams: practice and training, technology know-how, and also engagement and collaboration. In the practice and training, Eon implement the employee training. In a month, they will have a training for Eon staff, right, about the technology used, and also the continuous practice that staff must have their own effort to practice using the digital platform. And also the technology know-how is we have technology self-assessment. Alright, in this Eon, they try to push the limit of the staff, and every staff they need to have a self-assessment using the digital platform in Eon company. And also engagement and collaboration. First is the communication and the cross function, and also knowledge sharing and developing learning organization, which means that in they can communicate each other and try to cross function, okay, using the digital platform. Alright, this is strategies for the marketing activities. It's only one team, is engagement and collaboration. The code was the real-time event. We have influencer joint venture, also contest and giveaway, online voucher and market and coupon, and also marketing campaign. These all the strategies that have been used in Eon company to increase the engagement and collaboration with customer using the digital platform. Alright, this is the significance of the study. Divided by 2 is a knowledge, is developing the digital knowledge, especially in the field of food operation and management quality, in maintaining and also expanding the reputation of food retail sector in Malaysia. This is for industry, the improvement in food retail sector and food operation quality, at the same time to improve the RTE food production practically by using the digitalization infusion. Alright, so these are the references that we use along of this study. Alright, so that's all my presentation. Thank you.